Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oukitel K13 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset digital rights management on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System, tap on Advanced, and right under it we've got Reset Options, so let's enter. As you can see, on the very first position we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it again, and tap on OK. And as you can see, we've got the information that the licenses have been deleted successfully. What's more, this option is inactive, which means that for sure we removed it. So actually this is it. This is how to remove digital rights management in your Oukitel K13 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.